What's going on, folks? I want to make this video to show you what you would need to do when you get some new windshield wipers for your vehicle. A lot of times when you get new windshield wiper these days, when you actually get your new wipers, it may not have the correct fitting that you have on your old wipers to put onto your vehicle. This is true for a lot of your newer vehicles that you have out. So say, for example, this is your old windshield wiper. You have a fitting that looks like this on it right here. So when you get your new pack of windshield wipers, you may have a fitting that looks like that. So what you need to do is build your new windshield wipers to where it fits onto your vehicle, the same type you have right here. So a lot of times when you get your new windshield wipers, you'll have multiple packs that are inside of your new windshield wipers that look like this. And each pack has like different connections inside of it. So a lot of times, for example, for this one came off of a Chevy Traverse. So we got the new windshield wipers. We actually had like 4 different connections inside of each windshield wiper set. You'll need one for your passenger, one for your driver's side windows. So what you'll do is you look at your old windshield wipers. For example, this is the old one right here. Say this is the new one. So the new one looks like this. So what I want to do is look into these packs right here until I find one that looks just like this. It should be in here if you're getting the windshield wipers that's supposed to go to your vehicle. So for example, this one right here is the same as this one. So what I need to do now is go ahead and build this one with this. So all I have to do is I'll just take the new windshield wiper, and you just want to grab a hold to this connection right here and just kind of pull it up just like that. And as you can see, it's snapped off. You'll have like a little bar that's inside of here in the middle. So all you want to do now is just take the right connection that goes to the same one that matches your old windshield wipers. Take that piece off of the old one, or take the new one out of the pack that's the same as your old one. You just want to take it, and you want to, there's a little bar that's in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little opening, like a little mouth that's on the back side of this connection right here. So just take it, line it up with that little piece right there, with the little opening. Then once you do that, you just want to take it and snap it down, just like that. You hear a snapping noise. So now what you have is you have the correct a connection that allows you now just to put your new windshield wipers back onto your vehicle the same way the other one came off. So if this one came off like this, you have a little button right here that you took this one off with. Now you just slide it right back down and you're good to go. Please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.